Welcome if it is your first time here, and welcome back if you are my die-hearted supporters. It is your boy Chef André Davy, and I'm here again guys with another salad recipe. So after the intro, I'll be showing you guys how to prepare this beautiful corn and black bean salad. So stay tuned. Welcome back guys. So firstly, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and prepare some vinaigrette. So I'm gonna combine some vinegar, some lemon juice, some granulated sugar, salt, black pepper, and some cumin. So what I'm gonna do now guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and use a whisk and combine all these ingredients. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add to the mixture some olive oil, and then I'm just gonna give this a decent whisk so that all my ingredients can incorporate, and then we're gonna go ahead and put this aside. Okay guys, so what we need now guys is an empty bowl to mix our salad in. Okay guys, so right here I have some black bean that has already been cooked and chilled. Okay guys, and then from there I'm gonna go ahead and add some sweet corn already cooked and chilled. But you don't have to use sweet corn, you can go ahead and use the corn of your preference. We're gonna need some diced red onion, some diced tomato, and some diced bell pepper. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and use my spoon to mix and get these beautiful colors, arrays of colors incorporated. You understand guys? Look how beautiful this salad is looking already guys. You can just imagine what this is gonna taste like. It's gonna be nothing but amazing. Trust me guys, I'm always here to deliver these phenomenal recipes. So remember our vinaigrette that we had set aside guys, now is the time for it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pour it inside my bowl, and then I'm gonna go ahead and toss all these ingredients together. Yes guys, mix it together guys, mix it together. Tell me guys, how is this salad looking? Aren't you loving the finished product? Oh my goodness, this is amazing, and thank you guys so much.